Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how to both rotate a line of text and how to add vertical stack text to Google Docs. Let's get straight into it. There's no obvious way to add vertical text in Google Docs like you can do in Microsoft Word. However, there is a simple hack you can use that uses the drawing tool to insert text. I've created a draft document with some example text added to it. You'll need to create a new document or open the Google Doc you want to add your vertical text to. I'll start by opening the drawing tool. Let's move to the top bar and I'll click on the Insert option. From the list shown, I'll choose Drawing and then click on the New option as displayed. And the drawing tool pop-up appears. I'm going to show you two different types of vertical text. In the first example, we'll just rotate the text to 90 degrees. And in the second option, I'll show you how to add text with each letter displayed on a separate line, so the word flows vertically. Let's start with simple text rotation. From the drawing tool, let's choose the text box option, and I'll click on the working space. A blue box appears into which we can type the text we want to add. Once entered, if we select that text, we can format it just like we would normally. We can change the font, resize it, add colour, and much more. I also like to tighten up the blue box around the text as much as possible. This is particularly important if you plan to wrap any text in the document around your vertical text. To rotate the text vertically, we can use the handle on top of the text bar. Let's grab that, and an X appears, and let's rotate it so it's vertical. Once we are happy with the text we've created, we then just need to click on the blue Save and Close button at the top of the drawing panel to confirm that we want to add it to the document. It's likely you'll want to wrap existing text around your vertical text boxes. You can do this really quickly by right-clicking on the vertical text box, and you'll see we have a number of options that allow us to work with the text. The one we want to choose is Wrap Text, and you'll see the text on the page wraps around the vertical text, and you can also move your vertical text to neatly position it. Let's turn now to creating a stack text, like the example here. I'll quickly add another text box by choosing the Insert option once more. From the drawing toolbar, let's choose the text box option, and we'll click into the workspace to create the blue text box. I'll quickly add the text I want to stack. As before, I'll select the text so I can add a little styling, and I'll also change the colour. I'm now going to slowly move the right side of the box in to reduce the width of the box. I do that by clicking on the middle blue box on the right of our text box and still holding the mouse button down. I'll then move the arrow pointer into the left. You won't see the text change whilst you're moving the arrow pointer, but if I move that all the way in to just the right of our first letter and then let go of my mouse button, the letters are now stacked top to bottom. Now different letters are slightly different widths, so you may want to tidy up that presentation a little. I can do that by choosing the Center Alignment option from the toolbar whilst the text is selected and choosing the Center option. One other thing to mention is that if you're making any further changes to this type of vertical text, particularly the size or type of font, this may move the vertical text out of alignment again, so you'll need to tweak it a little more just to get it looking how you want. Once you're happy with the text, we just need to click on the blue Save and Close button again at the top. And as before, I can wrap the text around that word and position it where I want in the document. One final thing to call out is that if at any time you want to edit the text box, you can quickly do that by double clicking the vertical text box, and that will take you back into the drawing tool. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe so other users can find it too. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for other Woggle guides. And thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.